Have you ever felt stuck choosing between a small residential setup and a big commercial system? This kit was built to solve that exact problem. This is the Tucker USA Pro Series kit that I helped design, and I wanted it because I wanted a system that could handle everything that I run into in the real world. What makes this kit different is that it combines mobility and power without compromise. On one side, you've got the fill and go delivery unit, and it's a lightweight, ultra mobile, easy to maneuver, perfect for fast residential jobs. My guys love it. Tight spaces or even low pressure water sources. Even when you're on the move, the flow stays smooth and consistent. But behind that is where this kit really shines. You've got the maxed output RODI system. It's built for serious production. This system can comfortably run 2 to 3 users at once, making it ideal for storefront routes, multi-story buildings, and multi-crew operations. So instead of owning 2 separate systems, you get one setup that handles residential and commercial work. That's why cleaners love this kit. That's why I love it. My guys love it. You get a strong, consistent water flow, better scrubbing, better rinsing, fewer touch-ups. The pure water stays protected and pressurized, and the setup is portable and space efficient, and it fits cleanly in vans, trucks, or trailers. Most important, this system scales with your business and you don't outgrow it, which a lot of guys kind of run into. Now let me show you exactly what's included in this kit. You get the Tucker Max Output RODI system paired with the Tucker Dual Delivery Fill and Go unit. Brushes, you're covered with the Tucker XL Honey Badger with 4 pencil jets, the Tucker Alpha Scrub Brush, the Tucker Alpha Glide Brush with 4 pencil jets, and a dual trim nylon and bore hybrid brush. You also get a Tucker Mini Scrub Brush, carbon fiber goosenecks, 3 different kinds ranging from 12 to 36 inches. A Tucker locked gooseneck, a wood cone, and an aluminum Acme tip to help, transfer the trad on those poles. For poles, the kit includes a 30-foot water fed and a 50-foot water fed pole, both supplied bare so you can build them how you like it. You'll also get high flow pole tubing, 3 lengths of 5/16 inch pole tubing, male and female quick connects, a 5/16 inch union valve, and for filtration maintenance, 1 replacement carbon filter, sediment filter, and 1 replacement 20-inch DI filter. There's also optional 50-gallon auxiliary tank, which you see here. And if you want extended runtime or onboard water storage, that is fantastic. At the end of the day, the Pro Series kit gives you mobility where you need it and power where it counts. From quick residential jobs to full commercial routes, this system is built for real-world window cleaners. So on this kit, you have the option of the extra auxiliary tank, which will make this 100 gallons. You also can do a single user, which this one is, or a dual user. Guys, with this kit, it comes with remote control. So this kit is basically remote control from anywhere around the house or around the property. Basically, picture that if you are looking through the building that you're cleaning, if you can see it, like if that building wasn't there, you can use the remote control. You can control the flow of the delivery unit so it's constant. You can choose between 0 and 100% of the 1.4 gallon per minute pump that it includes. My guys clean 3 to 5 houses a day, and they usually have 20 to 30 gallons of water left. You are going to have to learn how much water you need for windows, right guys? Because 50 gallons seems like a lot, but if you're just blowing through the water, most of the time my guys only use about 30 to 40% of the 1.4 gallon per minute pump. The system does not include the battery. You will have to supply your own marine battery for this. I also get asked about the charging of the battery. So what I have done in this van is I've put an inverter underneath my seat, and I have a trickle charger. So every time this van is on, it charges the battery, so we don't have to remember to maintain the battery. There is a option on here to check the voltage of the battery at any given moment so you can see how it's doing. There are also holes down here that you can bolt the system into wherever you're trying to put it, trailer, truck, or van. I have these bolted in. Works fantastic. Basically, we use the Tucker Max Output system to fill these tanks, and we do not bring the system itself with us to any of our residential jobs unless we anticipate needing more than 100 gallons. That's what makes this combo so awesome. It makes it where you have the power of the commercial powerhouse of a system with the Tucker output, but you also have the efficiency of the dual delivery fill and goes. I did the math. My guys save an average of 2 hours, roughly hour and a half, 2 hours a day by not having to set up at each individual house that they clean. Okay. That allows us $200 to $400 more per day of revenue. The system paid for itself very quickly. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. My name's Jamie. Call Tucker. You can text me, find my number on the website. I'd be happy to help. You can also email me, jamie@rhgproducts.com. Thanks.